We've had really three major product releases in the last few months. The first was our newsfeed, where for the first time we're pushing content to users based on what they've Shazammed. And so you've Shazammed Bruno Mars' new album, we'll push that to you, concert dates, that kind of stuff. And so a really exciting way for us to extend our use case beyond when people are listening to music. We also launched auto Shazamming, which is an always-on capability. You flip a switch, we continuously Shazam the media around you. Almost 40% of that has been against TV, which has been really interesting and bigger than we had thought it would be. But we've already had millions of hours of auto Shazamming. And then just yesterday we announced a redesign of our core Shazam result. And the big change is really a content-rich, dynamic content platform type design. And it's meant to be that when you Shazam something, that's the start of an experience, not the end of an experience. And so we've made lyrics much more prominent, videos much more prominent, recommending music in a much more prominent way, and we've set it up where we can continue to add content. And so we really want to have this sort of continuous scroll experience for our users. So those are all three, major consumer-facing launches that we've made in the last couple months. We're off to a big start in 2014 with TV. The Grammys in January at 1.1 million Shazams, which was our all-time record, and the kind of number that really turns heads both with networks, production companies, and advertisers. Super Bowl had 700,000 Shazams, also a big year-on-year increase for us. We worked with the Bruno Mars halftime show. We also worked with both Bud Light and Jaguar to be part of their ads, and it was a very successful Super Bowl for us all around. We've also launched some new ad product capabilities this year, and primarily around retargeting. So people are Shazamming over 500 million times per month, and the Shazam is a really strong signal of intent and interest. And what we're now able to do is target advertising based on Shazam activity. And we can do that on Shazam and off Shazam. So we can follow a device ID onto Facebook as an example and continue targeting. So that works based on the music that you've Shazammed, the TV shows that you've Shazammed, but also the advertisements you've Shazammed. So if you Shazam one of our Shazam for TV spots, we can basically build an audience for an advertiser and then continue talking to that audience on mobile devices, on Shazam and beyond. So we've been piloting that for the last couple months, and we're really excited to take that out to our advertisers. Well, we were very excited to hire Kevin McGurn from Hulu as our Chief Revenue Officer. He's continuing to build out really a world-class advertising team. We're innovating on our ad products, like I mentioned. We've got new targeting capabilities within our mobile display ads. We're continuing to innovate on the Shazam for TV advertising, and so I think 6 months, a year from now, you'll see those businesses really scaling, and you'll see more and more big brands using Shazam as an important part of their advertising mix. So we really want Shazam to be an app that you use every day, and an app that you use to engage with whatever media is around you. So we want to recognize not just music, not just TV, but movies and live events and retail environments and whatever's around you. And for all those things, we want to provide a very engaging content experience. So we'll be evolving to ingest all sorts of content and create that experience. So really, it becomes a destination site, a place that you go, and also where Shazam's pushing content to you that's highly relevant based on the activity you've had on Shazam.